Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the viral glitter lip kits. I have one on right now and I'm so excited to talk about these. These have been around for a while now. They're not like the latest newest product, but they've recently gone extremely viral on TikTok and these have been sold out every single time. I wanted to sit down and give you guys a little review on how they work, my thoughts. I can't wait for you guys to see this magic because it's truly so gorgeous. Before we get started, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hi, welcome. My name is Jessica, aka The Mexican Beauty. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other platforms, Instagram and TikTok, The Mexican Beauty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this viral glitter lip kit review because these glitter lip kits are just everything, especially with like spooky season coming up and the holidays. I feel like you're gonna need some of these glitter lip kits, so keep watching. Okay, so today we're gonna be diving deep into the viral glitter lip kits. These are from the brand Stay Golden Cosmetics, and I just want to go ahead and do like a full dedicated review on this on YouTube just because I do my mini reviews over on Reels on Instagram and also on TikTok, but I feel like nothing tops a full dedicated OG YouTube video. So I actually have two shades. I recently purchased another one. The first one that I purchased was one of their absolute best sellers, and that is the shade Baby. This one is absolutely stunning. These do retail for $20. They also have I think these are like duochrome ones, and these are $25. I'm gonna first try on the darker shade, which is the one that I recently purchased in the shade Mercury. Now I have worn the shade Baby, which is the bestseller one, many times out, and they wear really well, in case you guys were wondering, because I feel like that's probably what a lot of people want to know is like, do they wear well? Like, how do they do? They wear really well, very long wearing. They don't transfer as easily as you would think. I feel like when you think of glitter, you think, oh my God, it's gonna transfer so easily. But these honestly don't transfer like that. So you get the glitter bond that really locks everything in. You get the lip liner and you get the little applicator right here. So you have two sides. You have like a little brush side and then you have the little sponge side. And then of course, if I can take it out, the glitter. This looks so pretty. It's like this gorgeous like duochrome. This one is in the shade Mercury. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by lining my lips. Okay, one thing I will say with these is that if you do decide to line your entire lip, just be mindful that you'll probably go through this really fast if you do use it a lot. So that's just something to know. So I went ahead and lined that. I didn't go too intensely in the middle section just because we're gonna be applying the glitter bond all over the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead, and this is the glitter bond. It has a glue scent. One thing I do wanna mention is when you work with this, you wanna work in sections. You can either do the full bottom lip and then apply the glitter. Don't apply this all at once because I feel like it can dry fast. So I like to do it in sections. So I start off with this. I take the glue. You kind of want to let it get tacky for a second. So I'm going to take the little applicator. This side of it works the best in my opinion. And then you just begin applying. I love how there's different like tones to this glitter. So look how cool that looks. And the other side. And what's so cool about this is that it doesn't really like give you fallout. Like the glitter does a really good job of staying where it needs to stay. I will say you kind of want to let it dry because it is a little tacky still from the glue. This is literally gorgeous. It's like a statement. Now I will say there is a little bit of a gritty texture, like it's glitter, so it's not gonna be a smooth application. When you first apply, it's gonna feel a little bit weird because it is different. But as the day progresses, you won't really feel it. It definitely feels more comfortable, more wearable as it's like worn on the lips. I feel like it's kind of like your first time using like fake lashes. You put them on, you're like, oh my God, like I can see them. It's just, I can feel it, but this, as the day progresses, you can't even feel it. So let's go ahead and see how the transfer is on this one. On the first one that I tried, I didn't have any transfer. It worked really well, but because this does have more like tones of glitter, I wanna see if I'll have transfer. So you guys can see. It's really good. Like, it really stays on. The glitter glue here is so good. And they're cruelty free, in case you guys are wondering. So that's pretty cool. They are based, I wanna say, in New Jersey, because that's where I see that they're shipped from. But it's also really nice because they also give you like instructions on the back, which basically is what I did. You start off with the dry lips. You apply the glitter bond on partial of the lip or on just one lip at a time, just so that it doesn't dry down too fast and then it won't grip on well. And then you just apply the product and you're good to go. Now, the one thing I will say about these little applicators is that like this one right here has a lot of product on it already just from this one application. So I would say that you may want to invest in purchasing like some extra little guys like this. So I actually have 2 extra that I had laying around. So I just went ahead and got these from my drawers because I know that this one is not gonna last me that many uses before I have to use another one. I know for the one that I have in the shade Baby that I've used a couple times now, my applicator broke off because I was trying to clean it, and obviously these are just disposable ones. So I would say if you use these a lot, I would recommend definitely getting some little disposable ones so that you can apply the product and it'll just look really nice. But besides that, I just love the fact that they include all these things in the lip kit. Like, this is a really solid lip kit. Like, when I think of a lip kit, this is what comes to mind because it contains everything you need: the glitter glue, the applicator, and of course the glitter and the lip liner, which I think is amazing. So I want to kind of show you guys how this looks in the dark as well, just because of the fact that these like look even better in the dark. Like, these are like meant for like that night out because they literally look stunning. Okay, so I have half on because I literally wanted to show you guys how to remove it. So I just use my Neutrogena makeup wipes. Use anything that's oil-based to remove this, just because it does stay on really well. So you really want to make sure that you use something that'll really remove it. So you guys are about to see. That first coating is a little hard just because you're getting like that first bits and pieces out. But if you kind of like scrub on it a little bit, not really harshly, just kind of press on it, it removes it really easily. You guys can see how easy and effective that is. It's not messy. Because you guys know with glitter, like I said, it can be very, very messy. So yeah, just use anything oil-based. If you have like a cleansing balm and you want to use that, you can use that too. But because right now I am going to be putting on the other one, I wanted to just use my makeup wipes and show you guys that it's easy to remove with a makeup wipe as well. And now I'm going to show you guys the more wearable one, which is like the best selling one and has sold out so many times. So it's called Baby. And this one is way more neutral. So if you're looking for something more neutral and you want to try the glitter lips, this would be your best bet. And you don't have to go in and line the entire lip. I just went ahead and did it for the other color because it's a darker shade. So I wanted it to just really pop and not show any of my lip color. But for this one, the color is a little closer to the color of my lips. So I feel like even if we don't fill in the entire lip, it will be okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put on the glitter bond. I'm gonna use the one that it corresponds to because that's the one that I've been using. Let me actually open the glitter. So the glitter is like this really pretty pinky tone. It's stunning. And you get a lot of glitter in here, so like this glitter will last you a long time. You guys know that it's hard to go through glitter like that. Obviously, if you're using these glitter lipsticks every single day, then maybe you'll go through it faster, but I feel like they give you a good amount of product. Okay, and just like that, you have the shade Baby on the lips, and it looks absolutely stunning. Like, look at that. This one obviously is much more wearable. It's definitely more so like a pinky tone, the color of your natural lip, which I think is really nice, especially if you really do want to try these out, but perhaps you're not about to go into the chromes or anything too bold. You want something a little bit more subtle. This one's great for like a dinner out or something. It wears really well. I was wearing this even when I was eating and it still wore really nicely, and I was also having some drinks and it was staying on really well. The glitter bond is really great. I will give you guys 2 tips, just things that I've learned from wearing them. First tip would be when you do apply these glitter lips, try to not apply it too close to this area, because if you do, the glitter bond will get a little bit sticky and may cause your lips to like stick together or get a little tacky at first. So I would say like try to keep it here like this, but that's just something to know, because I feel like sometimes when you're first trying it out, you get so excited and you're like, oh my gosh, my glitter lips. And then you're like, wait, I literally applied way too much. Another thing is, if you do tend to have chapped lips often, I would make sure to exfoliate before using these glitter lip kits, just because I feel like these, especially with the glitter bond, can sometimes sit a little bit rough or get a little texturized if there is a lot of like chapped lip situation going on. So I would say make sure that you do go ahead and just exfoliate the lips really nicely before you do apply these on, so that A, they wear well, and also B, you don't have any issues of them kind of like having too much texture on top and then looking chunky. These just, they give me so much life. Like, look how pretty they are. They're literally so pretty. I've seen so many girls on TikTok post like the prettiest videos, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys look stunning. Everybody looks so good in these, no matter your age. Like, it looks good on everybody, and there's a color for everybody. If you're more so somebody that's into natural makeup, I would definitely go in with this one out of all of them, because I feel like it's the most wearable one and universal one to looking more natural than everything else. But if you're very adventurous, I would definitely recommend the chrome lip kits because they're so good. Okay guys, so this is pretty much my review on the Viral Glitter Lip Kits. I felt like it would be nice for me to do an in-depth review in case anybody has been wondering about them or has any questions. I hope I was able to answer your questions and learn a little bit more about the Stay Golden Cosmetics Glitter Lip Kit. I will have all the information listed down below in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. And just any other information that you may want to know on these makeup details. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching my review. I love doing reviews for you guys. They're so much fun. Let me know what you would love to see me review next. That really helps me out so that I can provide really amazing content for you guys. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. And I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.